Personal branding is an art of curating your own image, reputation, and presence. It's like crafting a story about yourself, one that leaves a lasting impression on others. Remember, it's not about creating a facade, it's about showcasing your real, authentic self. You are not a brand, you are a person, and that's what makes personal branding so exciting. Before we dip into how to create an unique personal brand, let's draw some inspiration for real-life success stories. Individuals who have mastered the art of creating their own unique identities. These individuals have taken their personal brands to legendary heights, and we can certainly learn a thing or two from them. Let's start with someone we all know, Oprah Winfrey. From her humble beginnings to becoming a media mogul, Oprah's personal brand is synonymous with empathy, empowerment, and transformation. Her authentic presence and dedication to inspiring positive change have made her an icon of personal branding. Now how about Elon Musk? He's not just face of Tesla and SpaceX, he's a symbol of innovation and disruption. Musk's personal brand is a fusion of audacity and brilliance, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. He's proven that a compelling personal brand can elevate a company's success and vice versa. Take a moment to think about Ratan Tata, a titan of industry and a philanthropist at heart. Ratan Tata's personal brand exudes integrity, vision, and compassion. Through his leadership at the Tata Group, he's not only transformed businesses but also impacted countless lives through his philanthropic initiatives. His personal brand is a living testament to the power of values-driven leadership. With every case study, we are reminded that personal branding isn't a cookie-cutter approach. It's about infusing your passions, values, and quirks into a cohesive narrative that captivates and engages. Now let's talk about the building blocks of personal branding. To kick things off, we have clarity. Yep, it's the foundation. You need to understand who you are, what you stand for, and what makes you unique. This clarity will guide your branding efforts. Next up, we have consistency. From your online presence to how you interact with people, consistency ties it all together. So whether it's your LinkedIn, Instagram, or even how you dress, keep that consistency alive. And we cannot forget authenticity. This is the heart of your personal brand. Be real, be you. People connect with authenticity, not with masks. Share your journey, your ups and downs, and let people see the real human behind the brand. In this digital age, your online identity often forms the first impression. So let's talk social media. Your platforms are like canvases for your personal brand. But remember, it's not about being everywhere. Choose platforms that align with your brand and where your target audience hangs out. Now let's chat about content. High quality, value-driven content is the key. Share insights, experiences, and expertise that resonate with your audience. This is how you build credibility and trust. Oh, and visual content is the spice of life. Invest time in creating visually appealing photos and videos. The goal is to make your audience stop scrolling and engage with your content. Personal branding isn't a one-way street. It's about building relationships and connections too. Networking is a powerful tool. Attend conferences, workshops, and events in your field. Connect with the like-minded individuals and learn from them. And let's not forget about the importance of engagement. Respond to the comments on your posts, participate in discussions, and show genuine interest in others' content. It's not just about self-promotion, it's about community. Just like you, your personal brand should evolve and grow. Don't be afraid to pivot if you feel the need. As you gain more experience, your interest might change, and that's perfectly fine. Your personal brand should reflect your current self. Keep track of your journey. Note down your achievements, challenges, and what you have learned. This not only helps you see your progress, but also gives you content ideas to share. Now let's address some common challenges in personal branding. First up, it's comparison. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing yourself to the others. But remember, your journey is unique. Focus on your growth, not on someone else's highlight reel. Imposter syndrome. That sneaky feeling that you are not good enough. Well, everyone experiences it at some point. Embrace it as a sign that you are pushing your boundaries and don't let it hold you back. So what's your next step after absorbing all this personal branding wisdom? It's action time. Start with introspection. Look within to understand your values, strengths, and passions. Develop your personal brand statement, a concise summary of who you are and what you stand for. Get creative. Begin creating content that aligns with your brand and resonates with your audience. Expand your network by attending events and engaging with fellow enthusiasts. And remember, be ready to adapt and evolve as you grow. Personal branding isn't about pretending to be someone you are not. It's about embracing your authenticity and sharing your unique story with the world. So as you move forward, always remember that your personal brand is an ongoing adventure. Stay true to yourself, stay consistent, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep shining, keep branding, and keep being authentically you. See you next time.